नौकरी देती है। गणित नहीं रहता तो किसी को नौकरी नहीं मिलेगा, ये सच्चाई है। सब बिल में चले गए तो क्या है। Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Maths Sub. I am going to explain question number 22 that has been taken from exercise 6.3 chapter 6 application of derivative subsection tangent and normal. The question is find a equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at the point abscissa 80 square comma ordinate to 80 full stop. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that here you can see the given parabola y square equal to 4x. So here I shall write the given curve y square equal to 4ax. The given curve y square equal to 4ax. Again I shall write differentiating implied that differentiating both sides with respect to x, we shall get implied that d over dx of y square equal to d over dx of 4ax, implied that here you can see in center function y square is available, in denominator dx is available. That's why d will be conjugated with y, comes out to be dy over dx. For time being, let y equal to x, comes out to be d over dx of x square, comes out to be 2x. So here I shall write 2. In place of x, I shall write here y dot dy over dx 2y dot dy over dx equal to, here 4a is a constant that will be popped out. So here I shall write 4a dot d over dx of x. So here I d over dx of x. So we shall get here implied that here dy 2y will remain the same here. So here write 2y dot dy over dx, right here dy over dx equal to 4a, that is a constant. So here write 4a dot d over dx of x comes out to be 1. d over dx of x means the first order derivative of x comes out to be 1. So what we'll do here, implied that 2y dot dy over dx equal to 4a, implied that dy over dx here 2a is multiplied in left hand side. Here 2a will be thrown back to right hand side. So here 2y will be get divided. So here I shall write 4a over 2y. So here I shall get dy over dx equal to 4a over 2y. This thing you have got. First order derivative of y, you have got 4a over 2y. Now again I shall write here at the point here you can see the given point 80 square comma 280. At the point 80 square comma 280 implied that dy over dx input 80 square comma 280 equal to dy over dx input 80 square comma 280. So here in place of x I shall write 80 square. In place of y I shall write 280. So here 4 is a content, write here 4a. Over 2 I shall write here 2. In place of y I shall write 280. So here I 280. Implied that dy over dx input 80 square comma 280 equal to, here I shall write 4a over, here 2 will multiply to 2, 2 to the 4, we will get here 4 a t. So this 4a will be cancelled out. So here you will get equal to 1 over t you have got. dy over dx input 80 square comma 280 you have got equal to 1 over t. So here I shall write the slope of the tangent, the slope of the tangent at the point at square comma 280 equal to the slope of the tangent at point at square comma 280 you have got 1 over t. This thing you have got. This is 1 over t. This is t. 1 over t. This thing you have got. Now again I shall write, hence the slope of the normal at the point at the point at square comma 280 equal to, hence the slope of the normal at the point at square comma 280, this is the formula, minus 1 whole over dy over dx. We shall get here equal to minus 1 over 1 over t equal to minus 1 t. You have got minus t. Hence the slope of the normal at the point at square comma 280 equal to minus 1 over dy over dx. This is the formula you have to remember. When the slope of the tangent is given, the slope of tangent you have got 1 over t. The slope of the normal at the point will be -1, here is constant, over dy over dx. I shall take dy over dx is the same as the slope of the tangent. The -1 over 1 over t, I shall write -1 into t, you have got minus t. The slope of the normal at the point, you have got minus t. Now I shall write, now the equation of the tangent, the equation of the tangent at the point at square comma 2at. Hence the equation of the tangent at the point at square comma 2at, we shall get implied that y minus y1, in place of y1 I shall write 280, so here I write 280 equal to m. What is m? M is the slope of the tangent, so here I write 1 over t. In bracket I shall write x minus x1. x1 I shall take at square, so here I write at square. Implied that, simplify this one. Here t is there in right hand side. Move back to left hand side. It comes out to be yt. Ty comes out to be ty minus 2a t square equal to x minus at square. This thing, this t will multiply to y, you will get here ty, minus 2at will multiply to t, comes out to be 2at square equal to x minus at square. So what to do? Here I shall write, implied that x minus ty, x minus ty minus at square plus 2at square equal to 0. Just simplify this one. X minus ty minus at square plus 2at square. You have got implied that x minus ty minus at square plus 2at square comes out to be at square. So here you have got at square. This thing we have got. What we'll do next? This will be the equal to 0. X minus ty plus at square, that will be the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Now I shall check the answer with key point available here. So let us check the answer. What answer we have got here? Whether the answer I have got correct or not. Equation of tangent, we have got x minus ty, x minus ty plus at square equal to 0. Answer is correct. Now this is the equation of the tangent, x minus ty plus at square is equal to 0. This thing we have got. What to do next? Now I shall write, now the equation of the normal, equation of the normal imply that y minus y1 equal to m dot in bracket x minus x1. Put the value y minus y1 equation of normal. Here I shall write at the point AT square comma 280. At the point AT square comma 280 equation and normal we have to get. So here you can see AT square is x1, 280 is y1. So here y1, in place of y1 I shall write 280. So y minus 280 equal to m. M here the equation of the normal. The m will be the slope of the normal. The slope of the normal I shall write here minus t. Here the slope of the normal at the point you have got minus t. So here I write minus t. Dot in bracket I shall write x minus x1. In place of x1 I shall write AT square. So here I write AT square. This thing. Now simplify this one. Y minus 280 is equal to minus xt. Minus t will get entered inside. Circle bracket will be broken. X will multiply to minus t. Comes out to be minus xt. Minus will multiply, comes out to be plus. AT square will multiply to t, comes out to be ATQ. This thing we have got. So what will do next? Here I shall write here, write forward here, imply that y minus 280 plus xt minus ATQ is equal to 0. This thing you have got. Imply that xt plus y minus 280 minus AT cube is equal to 0. Now I shall check the answer with the quick point again. Whether the answer we have got the equation of the normal, whether this one is correct or not, I shall check with the key point. Here we have got xt plus y. Again xt plus y minus 280 minus ATQ is equal to 0. So this will be the correct answer. So here I shall write this is the equation of the normal. Normal means abhilamb, tangent means asparsh rekha. So here you have got, this will be the equation of the normal. Just I am going to underline here. Here you have got equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. The equation of tangent you have got this one. This one is the equation of the tangent. This one is the equation of the tangent. This one is the equation of the normal. This thing we have got equation of the tangent, equation in normal. So this is the proper explanation and solution of question number 22 That has been taken from exercise 6.3, chapter 6, application of derivative, tangent or normal of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay, thanks. Yeah. कुछ आया समझ में? नहीं आया?